Okay, this is a short demonstration of the simplest type of capacitor. This is referred to as a Leiden jar. A Leiden jar was the first means by which we were actually able to store electric potential energy, store electric charge, and it was invented in the mid-18th century. Okay, now the Leiden jar consists of the following. We first of all have here a metal cup, and this is then held by me. Because I am grounded, I am attached to the earth, this then means that my electric potential is always equal to 0. And then I have right here a plastic cup that is in between this outer metal cup and this inner metal cup like so, which I then place like this. Generically, by the way, the plates, or the sides of the capacitor rather, are not referred to as cups, they're instead referred to as plates. So this right here is the outer plate, that's what I'm going to call it, and this right here is the inner plate. Okay, then I'm going to charge up my Van de Graaff generator. This then means that a large amount of electrons gather at its surface, so then therefore the generator becomes negatively charged. And I'm basically going to take the inner plate here of my capacitor, my Leiden jar, and place it in contact then with the generator. When I do, a large amount of electrons are transferred to the inner plate, thereby giving it an enormous amount of negative charge. This then means that the plate is going to be at a lower value of potential than the outer cup, the outer plate. Therefore, there is a potential difference between them. An electric field forms between them. And then I'm going to use this conducting wand here to discharge the capacitor after I've charged it up. So let me go ahead and do so. You can now see that the electric field is present. Let me go ahead and charge up the inner plate of the capacitor by doing this. And now there is a potential difference between the two plates, and I can then discharge the capacitor by doing the following. Like so. Do it again. Like so. One more time. Like so. Okay, now when I discharge the capacitor by means of this conducting wand, basically what I'm allowing electrons to do is fall from low to high potential. The transfer of electrons occurs until there is no potential difference between the inner plate and the outer plate. Therefore, the capacitor has been discharged.